We are open here at the Hiccup and wanted to remind you that on Saturday, tomorrow, Studio Raza will be featured right here in this shop window with the elf, hand stamping her amazing bracelets between 1 to 4. Come on by. And from the safety, if you prefer, outside here by the window, you can take a look and take a peek. It is amazing scratch art. More original art. Custom signs by Signs by Nico. Get in touch ASAP so we can help you get a holiday sign if that's what you prefer. These wonderful books. Maybe. My Dad. My Mom. Trust Your Crazy Ideas. Believe. My Grandpa. My Grandma. Trying. These wonderful, thoughtful little note cards that you can put right into a card, and then when the person opens up the card, not only is your sentiment in there, but also this inspirational or trust your crazy ideas or be happy little note card that you can include with your cards. If you're seeing an item here but it's not online at www.thehiccup.net, feel free to call us at 781-581-8885. We're still busy getting everything organized in here for your holiday shopping and online. We're located seaside in Swampscott on Boston's beautiful North Shore. We feature Dune Jewelry, which is made right here in the Boston area, a woman-owned business, and we take actual sand from the North Shore here and place it in this bracelet. So the North Shore beaches include Cranes Beach, Good Harbor, Wingashiek, and then we have the Hiccup Special Blend. And the Hiccup Special Blend is an amazing assortment of Kings Beach, Fisherman's Beach, Preston Beach. We have a few different styles. They come in bracelets, in anklets, and necklaces. And then Dune, we also have these amazing ornaments. And you are able to order these direct from us, 781-581-8885, or online, www.thehiccup.net. We are still busy getting all the wonderful things and creations that have come into our shop. So if you don't see an item listed there, but maybe you saw it here in the video, feel free to give me a call and we can help you over the phone, 781-581-8885, to order your holiday shopping from the comfort and safety of your home. But of course, you are welcome to come in to the Hiccup Mondays by appointment, and Wednesday mornings by appointment, and evenings after 6 by appointment. And you can also book that online at our website, thehiccup.net, or give us a call. This is Salter's Provisions, and she takes this sea glass from the North Shore up here in Beverly and the surrounding communities and creates these most amazing, beautiful, handcrafted creations. And who does not love these fantastic candles by Wicks Please in Wakefield? They just smell like I cleaned, and they are fantastic. 100% 100% essential therapeutic oils, 100% soy, and we have a wide selection. We hope to see you in person, online, or give us a call. We're here to deliver local to your friends and family that are maybe local in the area and you're out of town. We also ship, or you can come in and pick up curbside and I'll drop it off. Stay safe.